Hi guys, this is Rashid Khan, your science teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. And as you know, we have studied the chapter number 8, in which there is some remaining portion I have to explain about. So here is the movements in animals. So movement in animals that depend upon the three important things are the different type of animals have a different criteria for the living or for their movements, for their locomotions. The different type of animal having used their different criteria for their movement or locomotions. The three things are there are very important for the locomotion in any animals are what? That is the environment in which it can survive. The second thing, what the food they eat, and last one is what the precautions or protection it takes against the predators. On that behalf, here are the different types of animal, different types of animal in which the movement you can observe. First one is a movement in case of fishes. Movement in fishes. How the fish movements? You know very well the fishes, they have a very special structure. Here you see the structure of the fish. First important part of the fish is its body. Which type of a body they have? This one is streamlined body. First important feature they have. Second feature they have fins. Third one, they have tails. And due to the streamlined body, the fishes can move very fast without facing the problem in case of movement. Due to its streamlined body, there is air friction is very less, and it can move forward in a very smooth manner. Here we can say it is an animal which lives and breathes in water. It can also breathe in water, but is present as a gills they have. And this one is an important structure. It can swim easily in spite of resistance of why? Because this body is having a streamlined structure, and this shape of the fish permits water to move easily from shape of the fish. That this fish, when it moves, this can cut the frictions or air current, water current very easily. Why? Because their body, this permits the fish to move easily from the side, and thus offering the least resistance to movement. It's having its body like a stream, so which can be very easy for their movement. And now we can say the third thing, the skeleton of the fish is covered by muscles which help in swimming. Their muscles are very flexible too, so that it can be moved. Their body is clatters. It makes the front part of the body curve to one side while tail to the other side. For movement, there will be for the movement, or you can say for change of directions, their body can be one side and the tails can on other side, like this. If it is body like move to this and the tails like this, so they can move approx and can change its directions as well. And in case towards the opposite side, it can help the fish thus form a curve for movement of these particular type when these form a curve. And the fish, they can be help for momentum. They can be help for move the body across the directions. Whatever the direction it requires, it can move according to its fins. And the other hand, fins are used by the fish to change its directions while swimming. Many fishes also have an air bladder or the swim bladder. On movement, by the type of movement, they can use their body to fill up the air and move approx as they require, so that they do not sink down when stop swimming, due to which when they stop swimming they could not be get down in the water. So this is the movement in fishes, movement in fish. Next one is movement in birds. Birds now structure of birds, you can see there is also important criteria they have. Their tails, feather, and legs, as well as the most important is hollow bones. This is the important criteria by which the fish can move. Some important part by which the birds can be helpful for its movement. How it can be? Here the some important criteria. What are these? The words have already its body as a streamline. This can also have its streamline body. This is streamline body. And this one, can you say the body is of a streamline can be very important for this particular type of a process. Why? If there is a streamline body which is helpful for resistance, it is offer the resistance very less in amount. So first of all, the body is streamlined, and when it moves or when it flight, their body can feel very some few amount of the resistance which is occurred in air. The next thing is they have hollow bones, and due to which they can be fly very much easy, which make its body very light, and presence of powerful muscles. They have a powerful muscle, on that behalf they can be flight more and more. And not only that, there is a wider base of the wings give support to the birds. Wider base which can help for the swimming, which can help for the flight very in ease form. The wings pushes is forwarded. They have the wings that give support to the bird, while the tip of the wings pushes it forwarded. And by the up stroke and down stroke, this one is up and down stroke of the wings or the feathers they have, that can be very helpful for the movement in air. Some they are waterproof feathers. So you can say it may be very useful in case of the birds. Next is in case of the birds that they have not the wings or feather like a duck and swan, they have a waved page. This waved toes which help in swimming, which help in they swim. The power water, the waterproof feather do not allow water to stick to their body, and flightless birds have very heavy body, so they can be unable to fly. Now is movement in snail. Movement in snails. How the movements happen in case of snail. ventricles, and this one is their eyes, and you can see eyes are there. Here is muscular fold. How it can be helpful? It can be very useful while moving. There is a foot present, that is in the form of a muscular foot. So what will happen in case of snails? Snail is a type of animal which have the endo and exoskeleton as well. In its upper body, that are a very hard protective layer called as a protective shields, that is the exoskeleton formed by the calcium carbonate. And here is inside the body, this one is a soft, porous and a very soft, you can say flexible part that can be muscular, and that one is helpful for the movement. This one is called as a muscular foot, and through which it can be moved. They have a sticky material on its muscular foot through which it can be moved with a very gently, slowly. This can be a very sticky material or slimy material on which it can be slips or move. The locomotions takes place by the muscular foot. The muscular foot also comes out of the cell for the movement. The foot secreted slimy substances which is help the snail slide over the surface of this ground. It drags its heavy body on its muscular foot, and the movement is slow and controlled by the muscles attached to it. So the movement takes place by this. There is a movement which have made slimy substance, and on which slimy substance it can drag or fly over there. Okay, so these are all about the moment. We will discuss later on the topic given. Thank you for being here. If you have any doubt and clearance, if you want any doubt to clear or you have any queries, so come into the